So here's what we're going to do. We need to, all the instructions are listed right here. So it says in F4, we need to sum, right, A4 through E4. We need to divide that by 4. All right. So we're just going to go down and complete the rest of these. So, right, average B5, comma, D9, E5, and C4. Then divide by, or multiply by 6. Maybe I should zoom in so you guys can see a little bit. So then it says we're going to subtract it by the average of A of the same range. So A through E9. So I'm going to put this in parentheses just to make sure I do this part first. Pretty sure that's right. So we're going to go minimum of C4 or C9 and subtract it from the max of C4 through C9. I guess we should do round first. So round the average of that by -3. Rounding the number we're finding is the average by -3. There we go. All right. So in D2, this is a new concept. All right. Above was a little bit of review, but now we're going to be talking about the ranges. So it says select A4 through A9 and name it range 1. So A4 through A9. Now, there's two ways you can name. You can go to insert, right here, name manager, and say new, another, and then new, and you can just write range 1. We don't use any spaces when we're naming ranges. All right, you can see here. Or an easier way to do this, which a student actually showed me, was B4 through B9. We're going to name that right here in the name and just name that range 2 and hit enter. So now when I go to my name manager, I can see that range 2 has already been added. All right, this makes it super quick to do now. So we're just going to go ahead and go through C4 through C9 and name our ranges using these numbers here. All right, so now that we have that, those ranges named, now I can just go ahead and write sum. And I can type in range 1. Oops. Range 1, comma, range 2, comma, range 3. Same thing. Average, range 1. Oh boy. Comma, range 3, I think it wanted. And range 5. All right, so on and so forth. I'll let you guys go ahead and complete the next. Manipulating ranges. So it says find the range hidden and enter the cell reference here. So we'll go up to name manager. We'll go into this hidden, and we can even, if we double click on it, right, it'll take us to the cell where it's located. And that's right here. Oh, enter the cell reference. I guess I should have been paying attention to what that was. So that is M, what's it saying here? M20, or AM20 through AM25. Oh, shoot. Been editing the name up here, that's not good. Just gonna try to cancel. Alright, it says find the range useless and delete it. Enter the cell reference here. Useless. And you can also see the cell range right here as well. So I can just copy this and then go into delete. Uh-oh, I deleted it. I didn't get a chance to see what it was. That's okay. Alright, you guys got the point. Alright, and this last part, I'm going to use as a little challenge for you to see if you can make it happen. Most of it looks like review. Alright guys, good luck with lesson D. Once you're done with that, you can continue on to the application portion of the lesson. Alright, I know it looks big and scary, but once you put those formulas in and copy it down, should be a piece of cake.